Meaning of living roof.
Living roof.
Living roof.
Living roof.
Living roof. A living roof, also known as a green roof, is a roof of a building that is partially or completely covered with vegetation. It is designed to provide additional insulation to the building, reduce urban heat island effect, absorb rainwater, and enhance biodiversity. Living roofs can be found on various types of buildings, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. They are usually composed of layers of soil, drainage, and vegetation, and require regular maintenance to ensure their longevity and efficiency.